When systems strain, skill becomes currency. The world we live in was always fragile. Systems fail or become unreliable. It's just a part of life. Propheciple isn't about fear, it's about preparation. We design compact, rugged hardware and open, auditable software, hacker tools that run when the system slows and protect people when trust frays. Users will have access to offline, online, and community-hosted hacker tools that will help them navigate their way through the upcoming new world. These are weapons that work in economic uncertainty, bring security when in danger, and more tools that will put users in the hacker seat to control their lives outside of the system. Think of it as enablers for a futuristic way of living, a new way of thought for working and fighting to produce, sustain, protect, and replenish your way of life as a human being. Tools without ethics are dangerous. So we craft secure design, adversarial thinking, and responsible disclosure. We give our users the ability to be defenders by playing by their own rules in an unfair system that benefits a certain selective few. We build for survival, not sabotage. If you want to harm others, this isn't your room. If you want to earn, to protect, to use something that lasts, welcome. Welcome to the sub-anonymous group called Propheciple. Resilience isn't solo. It's economies that keep value circulating. It's hacker tools that don't turn people into customers forever. It's systems that give agency back to users. The next world will be different. Harder in some ways, richer in others. Propheciple builds the hardware, writes the code, and generates tools that will give to hands that will shape it in a useful way. Join the group. Use our craft. Build resilience for your block, your family, your future, not chaos, not crime. Preparedness, community, and dignity. Ethical, resilient, and community-based tools for the upcoming new world. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything new that we'll release.